So this is the question. Two circular pieces of equal radii and maximum area, okay, touches each other are cut out from a rectangle cardboard of dimension 14 centimeter into 7 centimeter. Means this is length into breadth. Okay. Find the area of remaining cardboard. Means this is a cardboard 14 centimeter and 7 breadth. This is length 14 centimeter, and we have to maximum area of equal radii. Means circle are equal. Okay, equal radii means radius. Radii means radius. This is plural sub. Okay, plural word. This is radius. And these circle are equal means we have to touch and touches the all the like this. Okay, this is one circle and this is second circle, and these circles are equal. Okay, and we have to find the remaining area. Means we have cut out these circles from that, then we have to find the remaining area. This area, this one, this area, this area, and this area. Okay, we have to find this area after cutting these circle, and circle are equal in length. Okay, so radii of circles are equal means this side and these are equal. Okay, so let's see the solution. So dimension of rectangle cardboard is 14 into 7. This is given, and 14 length, and this is breadth. I have told you earlier in the previous slides. Okay, and so we have to since two circular pieces of equal radii and maximum area touches are cut out from the rectangle cardboard, therefore the diameter of each circular piece is 14 into 2. 14 divided by 2 equals to 7. So what is this? This is means now we have to find the radius. Okay, so the diameter first of all diameter equals to 2r. We know that. Means this is whole diameter, this is diameter, this one, and we have to find the radius. Means this part, this is r, and this is the whole part is d. Okay, and this is 14 here, from here to here. This is 14, and this, and now cut it because these are equal circle radius are equal, so this will be 7, this part. So diameter of this circle is 7, diameter of this circle is 7, and diameter of this circle is also 7. So diameter is 7. Okay, so we have to find the radius. So radius equals to 7 by 2. So this part is 7 by 2. This part. So this part is 7 by 2. Okay. So radius of each circular piece is 7 by 2. I have told you in the previous slide. I have tell you how this came. And now we have to find the area of circular piece. Means we have to find the area of circle, and we know the area of circle is pi r square. Okay, and there were two circles, so this is into 2. So then this is how we finding the area of two circles. This is the area of one circle, and multiply by 2 means area of two circle. Okay, and this is so we have done this. This is pi, and this is r. 7 by 2 is r. We have put the value 7 by 2 and square, and 2 for the second circle. Okay, and this is the calculation part. 7 by 7 7 is 49, and 2 2 is 4, and 7 cancel, and 2 cancel from this. So this is 77. 11 7 is 77 centimeter square. Okay, area of remaining cardboard equals to area of cardboard, okay, minus area of circular piece, because we have to eject out the area from that. We have to cut out the area, na? That's why the area is minus. So 14 into 7, this is the area of cardboard means area of cardboard, what area, this is rectangle. This is rectangle. Okay, rectangle equals to length into breadth, and we know the length is 14 centimeter and breadth is 70 centimeter. This is L into B, nothing but L into B, area of cardboard, and minus 77. This is the area of two rectangular pieces. We have to cut out. Okay, so 7 into 14 are 98, minus 77 means 21. So this will be the answer. The area of remaining cardboard is 21 centimeter square.